Hi guys, what is up? Jason Fleagle here, and today we're going to be doing a review of the iClever Foldable Bluetooth Wireless Keyboard. Now, I'm going to be going into detail on some of the specifics of the specifications of this keyboard. As you may already know, I love Bluetooth wireless keyboards. You can check out my other video looking at the Jellycomb ultra thin foldable keyboard. Highly recommend that keyboard too. So I'm really excited to check out this keyboard and let you guys know what I think of it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the review. And welcome back, guys. We're looking at the iClever Bluetooth wireless keyboard. So this keyboard has been really cool. I actually like it. It's got kind of like a soft feel to it. It almost feels like a felt kind of feel. Really cool, very thin. So if you want to kind of carry it around in your pocket, very easy to do that. As you can see, there's the micro USB port for charging. And looking at the literature, it can stay charged for quite a long time. I was actually really impressed. So and then, you know, fold open, which is really nice. The keys take a little bit of getting used to, especially if you watched my previous video with the Jellycomb foldable keyboard. The keys, you know, were more level, and in this case they're a little bit more angled. I'm guessing just for the ergonomic purposes, or purposes of ergonomics. So the keys take a little bit of getting used to, but you know, it's not horrible. So, you know, just typing a little bit, it's actually a pretty good natural feel. But again, when you're used to kind of the lateral layout of the keyboards, it just is a little bit I guess mental change that you got to get used to. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, when you're connected to a Android or you know, iOS phone, Apple phone, iPhone, this is your like command key. You've got function with the different keys. You've got, you know, your home, search, bunch of different options here. You've got your Android, Windows, iOS option, your Bluetooth connection button. Of course, you got your skip and different audio volume options, your delete key, and of course your different directional keys there. So yeah, overall, you know, I've been pretty impressed. The typing is actually pretty cool, which I'll open up my phone here and then show you guys a quick test of what that looks like. So here, you know, if I open up my notes testing capability, so just typing hello world, this is Jason Fleagle. So one of the biggest things I think that I noticed right away that I guess was the biggest thing I had to get used to was the delete button, because it's so small. I'm used to having a bigger delete button, and then it's a little bit more of a reach than a traditional keyboard. So when I have to kind of make that switch over to that, it's a little bit weird at first, but you know, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy to do. So and then, you know, using all the other functions is really good, you know, searching, that kind of thing. So but yeah, I mean, overall really impressed with this keyboard. If you are contemplating whether to purchase it or not, I would recommend going with it. You know, this is pretty cheap on Amazon, and it's definitely worth the purchase in my opinion. One of the best Bluetooth keyboards I've used. I still need to play around with it a little bit more to determine if it's better than the Jellycomb foldable Bluetooth keyboard, but you know, maybe do a follow-up video in the future once I have the opportunity to test this out. in a little bit more, over more time. So yeah, thanks guys for sticking around. And if you're interested in purchasing it, you please use my affiliate link in the comment section down below the video. And yeah, stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thanks guys. Bye-bye.